Have you ever seen this maintenance required lights flashing instead of just staying on? Let's find out together why this is happening. The first things that we're going to do, we're going to find our OBD2 scanner. It should be right here on my glove box. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this protection bag. What I like about this scanner is pretty much the color, red and black. That's a nice combination. All right, let's go ahead and turn on our engine. Now it's on. If you can see right there is blinking. Find your OBD2 port. Plug it in. I'm scanning right here. I went to the first option, read DTC, and now it's written. And if you can see right there, code found 0. So there is not any problem with the engine. So we're good to go. If you want to know where I get this OBD2, I'm gonna leave it down below in the description. All right. I think it sounds fine. Alright, now let's go to the board. Let me explain to you what is going on. You're gonna have Tripmeter A, which is this one over here. It is used to keep track of a section of miles separate from your standard odometer. Meter B, which is the ones that you normally use when you want to know how many miles it takes you from one place to another. And then you're gonna have odometer miles, which is pretty much the miles that your car have during his or entire life since the car was built until now. And this example obviously is not gonna have all these miles, almost a million. That doesn't exist. In most cars, the maintenance lights flash for 5 seconds when you start the engine and then stop. This light flash normally at about 4,500 miles just to remind you that the engine oil is scheduled to be changed soon. However, after a few hundred miles, maybe at about 5,000 miles, it will appear and stay on, reminding you the engine oil is recommended to be changed at 5,000 miles intervals. Change your vehicle's oil and the oil filter. By any chance, do you know what the problem was with this vehicle since the beginning of this video? Let me know down below. Thanks for staying on to the end of this video. Also, if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and make sure you are subscribed to this channel.